confect. So yung confect daw is parang isa siyang ingredient, isa siyang produkto from varied material. So pinagsama-sama yung ibang materials para mabuo siya. Meaning ng confect is putting together of materials to come up with a thing or a product. Parang ganun yung ibig sabihin ng confect. Pinagsama-sama mo siya. So kung ikaw ay nasa food business, pinagsama-sama mo yung ingredient. Kung ikaw ay nasa business with chemicals, pinagsama-sama mo yung chemicals para makabuo ng kung ano mang bagay, whether panlinis, pampaputi, yung ganyan. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng confect, being put together from varied materials. So another manufacturing and another English vocabulary, okay? Manufacturing meaning business, kailangan isama natin yan. So at least lumalawak yung ating English vocabulary. So yun lang po.